Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix VPN not working in Windows 11 or 10. So firstly click on Start, Control Panel. Now here select large icons, then Network and Sharing Center. Click on this hyperlink, Properties. Now here uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, then click on OK, close it and restart. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve this problem, and still you are facing after restart VPN problem. So try second method, settings, network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, then reset network. Click on reset now, and once you reset you have to reinstall VPN client software or virtual switches and re-enter your password for Wi-Fi. Again restart your PC. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve VPN not working in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment any method work for you or not.